Hey, it's Matt here with 911R, and we have this 78 911 Targa that's going to be ending up here on Brady Trailer shortly. I just want to do like a quick little walk around and talk about this car. Was a full restoration build. It's stripped to bare metal and painted the fern green. It has polished Fuchs wheels on it. It has the appearance package front lower valance spoiler on it. H4 headlights. The paint on the car is absolutely stunning. Like I say, this was fully stripped to bare metal and redone. This wasn't a quick paint job by any means. This is very, very high quality. Come around the sides here, the Targa top is in great condition, fits really good, folds up really good. We've checked all that. On the inside, they really went all out. We got RS door cards. We have German square weave carpet. We have Recaro sports seats with the peptid wool inserts with the green accents. Looks really sharp. You got a Momo steering wheel and matching shift knob. All the gauges work great in it. This car has air conditioning as well. But really, let's get to the coolest part about this car. Let me open up the deck lid. Is this engine. It's a 3.4 custom twin spark build with PMO carburetors. It's got the Cool Systems air conditioner with the front fender mounted condenser. This is the modern rotary style compressor. They're much better than the old compressors these cars have. But this is the original motor. They bored it out they bored out the case, made had 3/4 PNCs made for it. It's got a 930 crank. It's really a great formula. This thing rips really hard, and plus being that twin plug. It's not overly high compression, so you can run any gas in it. You wouldn't have any problems with detonation or anything. But this car just rips. It's got a great sound. The gearbox shifts really nice and smooth. It's just really a nice build. And you can tell it was all really well thought out. But you know, this is just a great example of a car you could go out and do any classic rallies in. You could go to Porsche Club events and just have everybody come up and asking to you about this car. But you know, let's zoom in and see the steering wheel and stuff. That Momo Prototipo aluminum wood steering wheel is really cool. But again, any questions? We're watching the auction and everything right now. You can post your questions or use the contact seller button, and we'll answer anything right for you. If you need a shipping quote, we can work on getting that. Or also, if you're interested in 911R representing a car for you, please hit us up and we're happy to talk about it. Thank you very much and good luck.